Welcome this video maximalize smart bathroom space create wall idea introducing smart bathroom can pose a significant design challenge but with the right strategy you can transforming even the trend of space into functional space home. One of the most effective way to optimize a compact bathroom is by plate active to the wall. Create wall idea can make a world of different enhance the aesthetic and functional of your bathroom. We will explore a plethora of smart bathroom well idea, each designed to help you make the most of your limited space. From cloth stalls solved to stat accounts, you will find inspire to take your smart bathroom from cloth to choosing. Middle wall. Middle are our smart bathroom best friend. A middle will not only create the um, of a long space but also reflect light, make the room feel and brightness. Consider installing a middle well big the west or on a select of the bathroom well to open up the room and add touch of glamour. Beat board panel. Beat board panel is a classic choice that add a touch of charm the and smart bathroom installing bedboard on the lowest hall of your bathroom well to project theme from board and create a choose contact like atmosphere. You can print it in your favor color of a personalization touch. Wallpapers. Wallpaper is a versatile and inspire a way to info personalize into your smart bathroom. Other of water cereal or wallpaper design or bathroom. Choose pattern and color that refer your style and create a focal point on one wall. Wallpaper can add dream, textile, and worst include to any other away or drink space. Open shelving. Open shelving in bathroom functional and aesthetic. Please in a bathroom installing open shelving need the vesting or upper that tolls to store even day theme image like doll, soap and dolls display need arrange can also add a different decoration element to the room. Glass cells are any element and space save other of smart bathroom then give the allowing of more space science that are see-through. Use glass shaped of display decoration image or store tools that contemporary add of touch so to your bathroom designs. Conclusion. In conclusion, smart bathroom do not have to be a design challenge with create wall idea. You can maximize the functional and aesthetic appeal to even the drawing space from follow shaped to textile print. The other end